Hello, everyone. I am Elaine Chan from VMware Hands-on Labs team. Today, I am very lucky to be with some of my team members to share with you about the upcoming VMworld 2020 virtual events. We're going to first quickly introduce our team members to you, and they are going to share the latest about what the new VMworld is going to offer and the infrastructure behind it, and also the scale performance testing that we will do to ensure the event is going to be very, very smooth. First of all, with me today, we have Andrew Holt from our content and operations team, Olivia Ryers, who manages digital strategy and also going to be shared with you about the exciting new gamification program called Odyssey. Joey Dickens, who manages our infrastructure team, and also Joshua Schnee, who is the crusher from the performance engineering team. Andrew, I am going to hand it over to you to share more about what's new and exciting about VMworld this year.
Thank you, Elaine. And we are excited to be able to meet with you in such an unpredictable and difficult time. 2020 has been an interesting year. But VMworld 2020 is going to be a great time to do some things with friends that are familiar to us. And it's an exciting time to learn about all the great new and exciting products and solutions that VMware has been cooking up this year. And in the hands-on labs, we always, every year at VMworld, present that content and give you an opportunity to get your hands dirty with the products. That's really important to you, and it's important to us to make sure that you know we will be there for you online, just like we've always been in person at VMworld. So this year, things will be a little bit different. If you want to gain access to our experts, that's through the guided workshops feature, and that's only available for the paid premium subscription. So if you want access to the experts and have the opportunity to participate in those guided workshops, be sure to register early and be sure to sign up for the premium VMworld content. Otherwise, a whole slew of our interactive simulation content will be available online for every participant in VMworld. We're really excited to share new content there. And then we will be bringing Odyssey, our most popular and exciting new program that allows you to play games and participate in competition with your peers using hands-on labs content. Olivia will be speaking about that in just a little bit. Let's discuss the command center wall, because that's always a popular feature at VMworld. This is that big wall you see at the front of the room if you've ever attended VMworld. Well, we're shrinking it a little bit, and we're going to bring it online so that it can fit on your laptop screen. But the key thing to understand is this shows all of the exciting VMware infrastructure it takes to run the hands-on labs. This is one of the largest multi-cloud environments in the world. And we're giving you a behind-the-scenes picture into all of the cool VMware products that are running all this stuff. So be sure to check out the Command Center wall as part of your VMworld 2020 online experience. With that, I'll hand it off to Olivia so that she can tell you more about the Odyssey program. Thanks.
Thank you, Andrew, and thank you, Elaine, for the introduction. So this year, VMware Odyssey, our newest gamification of hands-on labs program, will be available to Premier Pass attendees at VMworld 2020 online. Sponsored by Intel, VMware Odyssey is really a new way for our users to interact with the content that you may be familiar with before in the traditional hands-on labs. This year, we will be rolling out the tournament rounds in a pre-event series before VMworld itself. We will have 2 rounds before VMworld. The top 50 players in our Odyssey leaderboard will advance to the semifinal rounds at VMworld, and the top 3 winners in both regions will receive very exciting and fun prizes this year. Our website is now live, and I encourage you to register and learn more.
Thank you, Olivia. Now let's turn to Joey to share with you about the infrastructure overview.
Thanks, Elaine. So VMworld 2020 is going to be larger than ever before, and we're getting prepared for it on the infrastructure side. We've built out our own cloud stacks and are also leveraging public cloud capacities from around the world to make sure you have the best experience. As always, the hands-on labs are leveraging a full ecosystem of VMware products, from vSphere and vCenter, NSX and vSAN, to VMware Tanzu Observability by Wavefront, and VMware Cloud on AWS, and many, many more products. The hands-on labs don't just let you explore VMware products, we're truly using them behind the scenes to deliver hands-on learning at a massive scale. At the base of our infrastructure are a hyper-converged infrastructure leveraging VMware Cloud Foundation. On top of that, we build VMware Cloud Director cloud stacks, all orchestrated by our front-end portal powered by the VMware Learning Platform. And finally, all this infrastructure is being monitored by VMware vRealize Operations, VMware Log Insight, Tanzu Observability by Wavefront. And again, as Andrew talked about earlier, you can see this, our true monitoring tools, from our online command center wall, and I really encourage you to check it out during the show. But this is just the infrastructure. We've also been ramping up our performance testing and our readiness testing of this infrastructure to be prepared for this great event. Josh, can you let us know how we're ramping up on our performance testing for VMworld?
Certainly, Joey. And as he mentioned, we have a very, very diverse set of hardware and software that we're putting together to put this VMworld in place. We have everything between private clouds and public clouds, and we do a variety of performance analysis to ensure that it's up to the standards that is set by you, our users. We do everything from looking at small component networking, storage, these kinds of things to make sure that the bandwidth and IOPS can handle the individual load for these nested SCDCs. We also do large scale stuff. So scale testing with simulated users that drive load just like our real users might get, and then churn to truly understand what do these clouds really offer in the number of total labs per hour. All this is kind of backed with our live user events where we bring in real people, VMware partners and employees from across the globe to drive these new content, these new clouds, the loads that we've never seen before. And so with that, we expect to really prove these things out and get them ready for excellent VMworld 2020.
Thank you, everyone, for sharing on the different aspects of the VMworld 2020. We look forward to seeing you all, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.